Social media made simple for small businesses and startups. Hello, and welcome to this workshop entitled Social Media Made Simple for Small Businesses and Startups. In this workshop, we will be going over the following: an introduction and an overview of social media. We will set our social media goals. We'll walk through the discovery stage, decide which social media websites are best for your brand, and we'll map out a social media course of action. In this workshop, we'll cover some of the most common questions asked about social media by small businesses. Oftentimes from small businesses, I hear questions such as, where do I get started? How do I create a social media plan? How do I keep the information I push out through social media relevant and timely? How do I handle it all on my own or with limited budget or limited time? What tools can I use? And how do I track my results? This workshop is full of tools and resources, including how to create great content, how to set up social media sites to look outstanding, how to automate and simplify the process of social media, and how to understand the psychology of social sharing.